Assalamu alaikum. Hi, welcome to Beena's Food Hub. Today I'm making pulled butter chicken sliders, boneless chicken covered in a rich butter gravy, shredded, piled onto a soft bun and topped with a crunchy yogurt sauce. These sliders are packed with flavour and super easy to make, so let's get started. You will need 500 grams of boneless chicken cut in small pieces, 3 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 small onion finely chopped, 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste, half a cup of tinned tomatoes grinded, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, a quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala powder, a quarter teaspoon of chilli powder, a quarter teaspoon of dried fenugreek leaves, salt to taste, and a quarter cup of double cream. Heat butter in a medium-sized pan, add the onions and fry over medium heat for 2 to 3 minutes. Once softened and starting to change colour, add the ginger and garlic paste. Continue to fry for 2 minutes. Add the tomatoes followed by the spices, the cumin powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder, garam masala powder, salt and chilli powder. Feel free to add more or less chilies depending on your taste. Fry the tomatoes on medium heat for 3 to 4 minutes. Add the chicken and carry on frying for a further 3 to 4 minutes until the chicken is sealed. If you feel the sauce is a little dry, add 2 tablespoons of water. Cook the chicken for 25 minutes on low heat. Meanwhile, let's prepare the crunchy yogurt sauce. You will need 1 cup of yogurt, a quarter cup of chopped cucumber, half a small onion chopped, half a teaspoon of lemon juice, a quarter teaspoon of cumin powder, and salt to taste. Add all the ingredients mentioned into the yogurt, the lemon juice, cumin powder, salt, cucumber and onions. Give it a good mix and set aside. After 25 minutes, add the cream to the sauce. Fry for a couple of minutes to let the sauce evaporate, stirring continuously over medium heat. Then turn the gas off and add the dried fenugreek leaves. Whilst the butter chicken is hot, transfer to a deep bowl using a hand mixer on low speed and shred the chicken. This will take around 1 to 2 minutes. Now let's assemble the sliders. Place the bottom bun in a serving plate, add lettuce, followed by the butter chicken. The chicken is beautifully moist and tender. Top with a spoonful of yogurt sauce. Sandwich together and enjoy with chips or on its own. Remember to hit the subscribe button, like and share with your friends and family. Thank you for watching.